Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include heads-up display, leather seats, rear heated seats, ventilated seats. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, rear step bumper, panoramic roof, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, chrome wheels. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, premium sound system, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.